Hey, my name's Alita from Lily on the Thames, and today I'm going to teach you what to do with flower foam. First, you're going to make sure that you have a vessel that you are going to put your arrangement in. These are our ceremony urns available on the Lily on the Thames website. And this is just a really pretty bucket full of water. Big thing you need to remember is it needs to fit your entire piece of foam or whatever size that you need it to be. The first step is going to be cut your foam to the size you need it for your vessel. So when I place it in here, I know it needs to be this wide by this deep by this height, and that's gonna be where you cut it. So I'm gonna place it in here. I know I want it to be just below or just above the line of the vase. I'm going to give it a cut with a knife, and that's what I'm going to use. So I know that's a good size. I've got it in my vessel here, and then once you are done cutting it to the size you need, all you need to do is drop it in your water and let it soak. Don't submerge it, don't touch it, wait for it to soak. It will turn dark green, and once the whole thing is dark green, then you can take it out, it takes about a minute, and place it in your vessel. All right, so once we have our soaked flower foam in our vessel, I recommend putting it in a smaller container and then placing it in the big one, because it'll just save you some extra flower foam and trying to make sure it doesn't wiggle around. So I also make sure that there's water in the actual vessel. So you're gonna wanna do this now so that you're not going around flowers later. All right, there's nothing in the bottom. You don't need anything in the bottom. I'm gonna place my flower foam and vessel in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tape using waterproof floral tape, which is available in the supplies and tools kit on the website. And I'm just going to tape all that in there so that when you are transporting this to the ceremony or somewhere else, it's not going to topple over and the whole thing fall out. So make sure everything's dry so that the tape sticks. All right, so once we have everything taped in, we've got our soaked flower foam, we have some water in the vessel, now we can start building the arrangement.